how do you personalize material? Well, when you get a script, there are a few things you need to do. The first step is to read it all the way through with no judgment. You're just the audience for the first time reading it. Once you read it the first time, try to remember the things that stood out and make notes of that. Once you've done that, the next step is to read it again and mark the sections that you identify with, that you know very well. And also mark the sections or circle the sections or underline the sections in which you cannot identify with for lack of experience or what have you. Now, you go back and you look at the sections that you cannot identify with, and you start to look at your life and think of situations that are similar. So for example, if you just got an award and the material, that's not something you've gotten before, right? What you have to think about is, okay, how does in this material, how do I feel about it as that character? And let's say, for example, you're not very happy, then you would look at something in which you were surprised and you were disappointed and you try to hide it, and that's your personalization. Anyway, thank you for listening.